Algorithms change, platforms evolve, and consumer expectations rise. Marketers who fail to adapt fall behind quickly, but those who invest in the right skills today will be leading campaigns and earning more in the near future. Let's break down the 8 most valuable digital skills you need to master right now to help you stand out, land better roles, and ultimately earn more in 2026. Buckle up and let's get started. Skill 1. AI Prompt Engineering. The first skill on our list is AI prompt engineering, and for good reason. With AI shaping the future of content, mastering it first ensures you can produce high-quality, scalable campaigns faster than your competitors. According to recent data, roles tied to prompt engineering show salary premiums of over 25–30%. Skill 2. Short-form video production and optimization. Quick vertical videos dominate social platforms. According to Cisco, 82% of all internet traffic in 2025 is video content, while HubSpot reports that by 2026, 91% of businesses plan to use video for marketing, compared to 61% in 2016. Mastering the art of producing quickly consumed, authentic, and entertaining content is crucial for standing out in a crowded digital landscape. Skill 3. Modern SEO and search intent mastery. According to numbers, organic search drives 53% of website traffic, and over 90% of online journeys start with a search engine. However, SEO today is less about keywords and more about intent, authority, and user experience. If your content doesn't match intent, you lose visibility. Modern SEO also means adapting to features like zero-click searches, snippets, and structured data. Combine this with EAIT principles: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness, and you can consistently win traffic others miss. So why do employers value strong SEO skills so highly? Because they bring in consistent, high-quality traffic, reduce reliance on paid ads, and directly impact visibility, leads, and revenue, making SEO both cost-effective and essential for long-term growth. Skill 4. Data analytics, attribution, and first-party data handling. Marketers who can read and act on data always stand out. With third-party cookies fading, first-party data becomes the backbone of reliable digital marketing strategies. And the vast majority of marketers will increasingly rely on first-party data by 2026. Strong analytic skills help you track performance in GA4, visual insights in Looker Studio, and connect actions to revenue with proper attribution. This means you can improve ROI, optimize budgets, and make smarter business decisions, which is precisely what employers are looking for. Skill 5. Paid media and performance marketing. Paid ads are still one of the fastest ways to scale, but business owners don't just want something who can launch campaigns. They want specialists who can optimize them for profit. According to Google Economic Impact Report, businesses earn an average of $2 for every $1 spent on Google Ads, but only when campaigns are managed effectively. Mastering performance marketing means knowing how to target audiences, set bids, test creatives, and measure attribution across platforms like Meta, Google, and TikTok. Done right, it drives measurable revenue growth and gives companies confidence in their marketing spend. That's why performance marketers are some of the most in-demand and best-paid roles in digital marketing. Skill 6. Personalization and marketing automation. According to McKinsey research, 71% of consumers expect personalized interactions, and 76% feel frustrated when they don't get them. That's why personalization is such a critical skill, and when you combine it with automation experience, it gives you even greater leverage. Marketers who can build CRM workflows, create segmented campaigns, and trigger the right message at the right time know how to boost conversions and customer lifetime value. Employers prize this skill as it scales outreach without losing the human touch, helps save time, cut costs, and drive measurable revenue. Skill 7. UX, UI, and conversion rate optimization, or CRO. Marketers with CRO skills know how to run A/B tests, refine CTAs, and optimize page layouts. Even small design or speed improvements have a significant impact. Google found that a 1-second delay in load time can drop conversions by 20%. Strong UX UI improves customer satisfaction and increases revenue without raising ad spend. That efficiency makes it a highly valued skill for employers. Skill 8. Soft skills and storytelling in digital context. Even with AI creating content, human skills remain irreplaceable. Employers value marketers who can communicate clearly, adapt quickly, and craft narratives that connect data to business goals. Stanford research shows that story-driven content is up to 22 times more memorable than facts alone. If you know how to come up with compelling stories, then you know how to build trust, strengthen brands, and make reports more persuasive, which means you can sell. Combined with digital expertise, these soft skills set leaders apart from executors, which is why they are often tied to higher salaries and management roles. Mastering these skills sets the foundation for career success. But with the right tools in your toolkit, you will strengthen your position and further increase your reputation on the job market. SendPulse has everything you need to put these skills into practice effortlessly. You can deliver personalized campaigns through email, chatbots, SMS, and web push notifications. Your CRM sits at the center, capturing first-party data and moving leads through your sales pipeline automatically. On top of that, you can build landing pages, pop-ups, and even online courses without writing a single line of code. SendPulse supports personalization, automation, and multi-channel marketing, so you can practice and apply the skills employers pay most for. Try it now and see how easily you can deliver results. To learn more about SendPulse's versatile features, visit our website by following the link you can find in the description of this video. And this concludes our video. If it was helpful for you, give it your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. More digital marketing tips are on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.